So hi guys, I'm going outside now. It's very cold, that's why I'm wearing this gloves. It is not a bike gloves, it's just a normal gloves to wear. Let's go and see outside
Yeah,
how is the
hi
weather.
everyone, welcome
It's
to my
very
vlog.
cold.
I'm just taking outside of my vehicle, Xpulse 200. It's very cold. I did not expect it is so much cold here. Let's go to ride. Yeah, I'm just going to have some tea. I have had tea in my home, but it was not satisfied, and I want to have some more. This road is called Vishweshwar Levitt Block 2. It's very cold here, seriously, and people will walk. I am gonna tell you a story, horror story. It was a cab driver, and he was going to JP Nagar to Whitefield. At that time, one
One
horror
incident
incident
occurred.
occurred. Usually, he will park the car in underground. By 6 o'clock, you should go to pick up the people's and you want to go to home. That suddenly one day he slept there only in the car, and it was very foggy. It was. He felt he was sleeping, but he was not sleeping that time. Suddenly, he saw something unusual things was happening. Underground parking, the power was shut down. He was starting the car. Suddenly, it was not starting, able to not start. That's why what he did, he on the torch of his mobile. At that time, he was receiving the message many more time. I see you, like that. He was shocked. He was not able to delete. He was not able to turn off his mobile. He was literally shocked. Suddenly, the back bonnet is open. He was trying to call some other people to help. Suddenly, in his front glass, some white shadow was appeared. Suddenly, he can see touching the window of his car. He was literally shocked. He can see literally the hand of a ghost, and some weird noise was coming, and he was literally fried out. And that time he received the call from the office. It's late for home, and he went to home and he discussed with his family, and they said, you're talking stupidly, what is this ghost and all. And that's okay, and he went to the again next day he went to office. Yeah, I will pause this story, and I want to have some tea. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಟೀ ರಾತ್ರಿ 9:30 ರೈಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಟೀ ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಜಾನೇ ಬೇರೆ. ಟೀ ಕುಡ್ದಾಯ್ತು, ಬೆಚ್ಚಗಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೀದಾ ಗಾಡಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಯೂ ಟರ್ನ್ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂತು. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ನಾನು ಆರೋ ಸ್ಟೋರಿನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಹುಡುಗ ತುಂಬ ಭಯ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ, ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಅದೊಂದು ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟಿಂದ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಭಯ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ನ ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅವನು. ಬಟ್ ಏನೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಂಥವು ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರೋರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದು. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಇವನು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ನಂಬ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಗಂಟೆ ಯಾರೂ ನಂಬೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರವ್ರ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, ಕೆಲವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳಲ್ಲ. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಈ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಆಫೀಸ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ 4 o'clock he reached there, like evening 4 o'clock, and he was sleeping there. Again same thing happened. Somebody's shadow came into his left side door. He was just speaking, I see you, I see you. He was like able to not speak with that entity, some ghost. And he was strong, better than that day. He was little bit strong. It was nothing. The our family was told no, it was nothing, don't believe in that and all. And he was very confident that time. Oh my god, what is this? It is nothing is there. Just I is scrolling his mobile, and suddenly mobile in that mobile the message came, I see you, I see you. And he was literally fried out, man. And he was chanting some mantras like Anuman mantra. He was chanting, and he's keeping his mind calm, don't disturb in this negative things. And that time he want to go for the washroom. He was really scared, and he opened the door and he went to the washroom and came back to the car. And literally he told that story. It was sitting behind him, that in last he saw literally some white appearance sitting behind him and saying, I see you. And that the last thing, he left the job. He told the company, I will not come. Some like this is was going on, like this negative things. And he left the job. And few months after, he went there collecting his payment. and that time some another driver, he said it was and he said, driver, there was a grey hard, the building construction before it was the grey hard, and he was literally shocked. Oh, it is real then. Whatever happened in the past, it was real for him, and that the last thing. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಥರ ಹಿಂಗಾಗದ ಕತೆ. ದೆವ್ವಗಳದ್ದು ಭಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಯಾವ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸು ನಿಮಗೇನೂ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನು ಕೇಳೋದೇಳಿ ಇದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ. ठीक है भाई, बहुत हो गया, भूतों का स्टोरी बहुत हो गया. हम जाना है घर क्योंकि हम बिग बॉस देखना है. आज का बिग बॉस बहुत चिल्ला बल्ला हो रहा है, हम देखना है चाहता है. मेरा फैमिली सब लोग देखता है बिग बॉस का. बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ. कन्नड़ा बिग बॉस सुपर, द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सीज़न आप गोइंग ऑन ए 12th सीज़न. उसमें गिल्ली अन्ना वॉज फैंटास्टिक. 5-on-5, he was playing 5-on-5. Nobody able to fight with him, argue with him. He was fantastic.
Hello. Hi, madam. See how he's eating. Koram. So, दिन बुरा है, जिंदगी बुरा नहीं है. The day can be bad, but life is not bad. If you want to think in your mind to get outside and live your life, what you want to take it. That's how you make yourself happy. That's why you keep in your mind that I will control you. Whatever I say, put in ear, it will action to your body. That's how it is. Still you're going to wait for something will happen. No, if you take your action, it will happen. It's all about you. It's all about your controlling your brain. If you control it, exactly what you want, it will happen. So guys, I'll come in next video. Thank you for watching my video. ನೋಡಿ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಬ್ ಜಪ್ಸವನೆ. ಅವ್ನ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಚ್ಚ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಮನೆಗೆ, ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಇವನು. ನಾನು ಜೆಪ್ಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವಿಯಾನ್. ಅವನು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವಿಯಾನ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಜೆಪ್ಟೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವನು ಬಾರ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಅವಿಯಾನ್ ಈಗ ಡೈರಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅವನ ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ಕೆಟು ಅವನ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂತಾವನೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾಯ್ತು, ಸಾಂಬಾರು, ಈಗ ಹಾಲು ಕಾಯಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬಿಗ್ ಬಾಸು. ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹಾಯ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವನೆ. ಅವಿಯಾನ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹಾಯ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ಹಾಯ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟು. ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತೆ. ಡೈರಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ? ಫುಲ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ.